Hey yo, good morning. It's a very good morning, and as a very famous Kenyan muhenga said, siku njema huvunjika guu. This is your boy, your best Mr. Right, and today naenda Karura na mabishte wangu, community that I'm part of in JKUAT, so ndio nawategea hapa hivi tuende. It's a nice morning. It's a very nice morning, and we'll be having a lot of fun in Karura, and so I'll be trying to vlog and keep you guys up to date with what will be happening today. And so yeah, I'm excited about today.
This is what we are always doing. Hiking, nature trail. So it's mara yetu ya kwanza.
Courtesy of the journey. So all this fun is courtesy of a campus community that we call the journey. I'll be making an entire video telling you guys about the journey, because the journey just changed my campus life and the way I view life, and it's been an amazing time. So here we are at the JKUAT main gate, as you can see behind me, waiting for guys to come. Yeah, I'm excited about today, bana. Yeah, man, see you there. See you at Karura, sawa? Yep, we are already here, did some warm-up, and now we are starting the nature trail. So excited. We have fun people who are a lot of fun. And so yeah, we are doing this.
Yay, we're doing it!
These are some crazy people.
Chesh.
Yeah, Chesh.
Reggie.
Sasa hapa ni introduction.
Terry, akiteri wewe. So good. Hi. My name is Frida. Say hi, Frida.
The only normal person.
Okay, you guys are making it look like I'm in Karura with a lot of girls.
But you are.
By myself.
You are.
By myself. I'm not. Guys, I just want to let you know that
Kuna dume.
kuna wanaume, kuna ndume.
George ako hapa.
Ndume hazipoteangi, tuko wengi sana. So we have Sam.
Yeah.
James. Are you excited about the nature trail?
Definitely
so
pumped.
What are you looking forward to?
The trees,
The waterfall.
the
waterfall, the monkeys.
The monkey.
If I was an animal, I'd be a monkey. Monkey is like my best animal. What animal do you be if you are an animal? Sam?
If I'd be an animal, I'd be a human being.
Boo.
I love
boring.
human beings.
You're boring,
So
Sam.
boring.
If
I'd
you're
be a
an
dolphin.
Wait,
dolphin?
Dolphin.
Why?
Because you have the entire ocean to play in, and they're incredibly playful creatures, and so you just jump around and play.
Okay.
I'd be an ant.
Why?
Also boo.
Because they can carry twice their size. They're just.
I think it's like 50 times their body weight.
Yeah. I mean, they are just like really hardworking.
Yeah.
And I love hard work. I value hard work.
Ah.
And I.
You're the worst at this game. You're the worst.
I would like to encourage everyone, every young person who's watching, to work hard like an ant.
Okay.
Sam's boring.
So those are the kind of people that I'm stuck with today.
Yo, miss, I gave you a great answer.
Yeah, that's a great answer.
Yeah,
James.
see? I gave you a reasoning.
Sam is
That
giving a
was
speech.
solid.
I would be an elephant.
Why?
Because elephants are humble. Every young person that's watching, I like you to be humble. Like an elephant is so humble, and yet it's so big, so not using your size to manipulate people.
Stacy,
Yeah, hi.
so are you excited about today?
I am very, very excited.
What are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the waterfall. I hope the last time I was here there was no much water. So I hope there's going to be a lot of water.
If you were an animal, which animal would you be and why?
At Karura or just randomly?
Just randomly.
A snake.
Guy. Why a snake?
I think snakes are sneaky. And that's
Do you like
fun.
snakes?
Nope. Hate them. So I would want to be them and just be sneaky like how they are.
Okay, interesting. Sawa, have fun.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, sawa. No comments. Sasa wase wanakuja zao ni wa backbenchers, man.
Yo, sup?
Yo, sup?
These are the backbenchers.
The cool kids of Kenya. And next to me is a photographer, paparazzi.
My name is Oliver. Don't call me a paparazzi, I'm a photographer. Girl.
Cameraman.
I'm not a cameraman.
So guys, I just want you guys to know that I'm with a bunch of crazy people today.
Stupid people.
Stuck with
Silly.
crazy people today.
Who's crazy?
And so it's going to be a very big day. So
Yeah,
guys,
a big one like this.
Mimi nataka unajua ile story ya Liondole sipite.
Yes.
Sasa nataka kila mtu aniangushie methali moja moja ukizingatia muktadha huo.
Muktadha huo.
Kufanya methali.
Yaliyovinya si ndeti.
Haya, sawa. Hadi
Kibaba na haba hujaza haba.
aha.
Can I remove a bad word?
Yeah.
Haga na haga, hujaza kinyasa.
Sawa. In every team, we always have the weak ones.
Just the bosses.
The ones.
Your boss.
The ones that always have to rest, bana. Sasa wametusimamisha kwa barabara.
Tuko na mandizi.
No,
Kama snacks.
So guys, as I was saying, we have to wait for them. Ati wapumzike. Mwingine anasema anaumwa na left ventricle. Unaumwaje na left ventricle?
Mwingine na pulmonary artery.
Mwingine ati pulmonary artery, sijui nini. So we are just waiting for them. They are slowing us down.
People, my name is Noella Mumba, and I'm an upcoming artist.
Yeah.
Do-re-mi. Yeah, you know the rest. So, anyway,
This is Noella. Tuna catch up. Tutajuana
we're
vizuri.
twinning.
We are twinning today.
Natokeza hivi ngoja kwanza. Let me show you what I'm doing. So, my name is Noella.
Hi. Do you have fun down there?
Yes.
Great. You guys, something you don't know about me. I love kids so very much. Mimi nikiona tu watoi na kuanga tu, nasikianga tu nimefika. So I love kids a lot, and just seeing kids make me happy. So yeah, that's it. We are at the waterfall. Yeah? Oh, I'm just telling guys how I love kids. Na tumefika kwa waterfall.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
It's not a lie. I love
Waterfall.
kids. I love kids, Noella. That's why I'm hanging out with you. Tunakula lunch. What we do is what we call bring snacks for two. So when you bring snacks for two, we gang up and snack.
Like snap. You know what's odd?
Yeah.
Any number that's not even.
So that's it. That's why we bring snacks for two. So and you always have a lot to eat at the end. Yeah, my bouncer right here doing his job. This guy makes musically videos, yeah? Baba yao.
Baba yao.
Big up yourself social media.
Social media ni kwenye Steve Mijuru.
Do you have to type with the accent?
Asa. Ni Steve_Jurue. Juru.
Joru. So what do you do?
Nafanyanga tu ujinga, mimi najibamba na video zangu hapo. Kuna nyingine nilikuwa na nyamba kwanza.
True story, no fiction.
True story. Hiyo. Yep.
So watu wafanya nini wakienda hapo hivyo?
Hapo na click kale ka button hapo juu. Follow.
Sawa.
Follow.
Haya. Kwa musically ni Steve Njoru bado.
Steve Jorue. Hivyo tu Steve_Jorue.
Na IG
ndio hiyo Steve_Jorue. Kila kitu hadi email.
Sawa. Siku imekuwa poa. I have had a lot of fun and now it's time to go back home. Well, it's not yet time, but my phone is almost off, so I have to like sign out right now. Ili simu isizime alafu niko na vlog pending. So it's been a great day, manze. I've had a lot of fun, a lot of meaningful conversations, sharing with friends, getting to know people very well, and so yeah, it's been a good day. So see you around, people. Remember, if you like it, subscribe, and see you around, people. Peace.
So
Eddie, how was your day?
Hapa awesome day. Maze, tumekula, tumetembea, kuna a lot of things experience. Next time maze usihate.